Susie, what are you doing here?
Leading an assault.
I know how you feel, kid. A few years ago, I'd be doing the same thing, but running into something you're unprepared for isn't going to bring them back. Tell you what, why don't you and your friends guard this spot for us?
You mean like hold the perimeter?
You guys want me to hold the perimeter too?
You're coming. Evo?
How did you get in here? You have to go. He's going to be upset. Very, very upset.
Nevo, Nevo. You didn't tell me you were expecting guests.
I'm sorry. They must have circumvented the defense system.
Silence! Have been quite meddlesome.
You stole the plans to Dr. Croyd's protomorphic energy extractor?
You should have seen the look on Nevo's face. He even tried to stop me, if you can believe it.
Stop!
I would have disposed of him, but he's actually been quite useful. Building my collectors, modifying ephemeris. He's been a wonderful pet.
What does a little furball like you need with a spaceship and a protoplasmic energy stinger?
Protomorphic energy extractor, you simpleton. And the answer is freedom. The smaller ones are easy to control, but larger life forms have always been problematic. Ironically, slovenly bottom feeders succeeded in the one area we could not. This is the future! A machine that can force our consciousness into vessels worthy of our intelligence. With this, Tauronux will be reborn! And I can't have you lot ruining it. My, still alive. This is all pointless, you know. In a few hours, our kind will possess enough monsters to spread across this galaxy, and now... You! I don't think I need you anymore, little spawn. Get away from me!
Mr. Tinkle. Bad!
I can't look. Now what are we gonna do?
Don't eat my...
I hate my job.
Then it's over! We actually won!
Looks that way.
Excuse me while I throw up.
I guess we saved. Mm-hmm. Say cheese. Cheese.
Nefarious old friend, you gotta admit, the sight of two dudes just hugging it out warms the cockles of your mechanical heart, huh?
Well, Dr. Croyd seems to be doing better. Still keeps feeding me those treats, but otherwise he's surprisingly sane. So, another world saved? Another galactic disaster averted. Some retirement, huh?
This may sound strange, but I think I prefer hero work.
You know something, pal? So do I. Do you think the Tharpods will be okay when Dr. Croyd destroys these planet fragments?
Time will tell, I suppose, but I believe they will be just fine.
All right, Nefarious. Hands where I can see you.
Wait. How did you even know we were here?
Yes. About that, help finally arrived.
Good evening, sir. I hope you don't mind, but, well, it turns out the evil sidekick market is a bit thin these days. I don't suppose there's room in your employ for one more?
Nice try, Lawrence. But today's been a day of revelations for all of us. Together we faced a villain that was neither robot nor squishy. And we learned a little something about life, friendship, and the sticky connective tissue between right and wrong. So I'm afraid Dr. Nefarious isn't going to do anything but steal our show.
What do you expect? I'm a supervillain! Bon voyage, losers!
Sometimes it feels like the universe just writes itself.
I thought what we had was special!
3 cheers for... Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
Yeah? But how do we get off this rock now?
I'll fly.
I got shotgun.
I am not sure this vessel is ready for interplanetary travel.
Nevo flew it over here from Billerog, didn't he? Besides, a couple new ion ducts, some pole sealants, maybe a new grav thruster. We'll be off the planet in no time.
What planet? Who the heck are you people?
Ratchet, we cannot pilot a weaponized drone into Luminopolis.
Relax. I pilot weaponized drones into Luminopolis twice a week. It's like a fine at 10 bolts in a class you take online. Or can probably pardon us.
Perks of the job.
Oh, why even bother?
The Polaris Defense Force has set up a perimeter outside the Vartan Nebula, so we'll have to take the Corvus exit until there's a change in patrols. I did manage to restock your dark matter missile array, so if you'd like, we can make a quick stop and retrieve it.